Alright everyone, today we are back at Snider West, Mile 1 on the Halton subdivision. Just got here, just now actually as a matter of fact. Unfortunately, I missed CN L559 because when I was approaching Snider West, I actually saw 3 GP38 units in the distance, pulling a local train. So that CN L559, which I just missed. Oh well, at least it's nothing too special. It's only a local train. But it would have been nice to see some vintage power. So yeah, today I'm definitely not alone because I got Canadian RFN 1926, right?
It's 1923.
Okay, 1923 is with me. He's called L559. And it had 3 units on it. So yeah, let's hope for the best that Snider West will be more busy compared to last time when I came here. So yeah, I'll pause over now until the first train of the day shows up. And before we begin, please make sure to give this video a really big thumbs up. I'll see you in a bit. So all 3 trains were taken on Wednesday, August 14th. And let me tell you, Snider West was really busy compared to last time. We both caught 15 trains, including some yoke sub trains in the distance. Alright, let's get into them. So the first train we caught is CN Z121, going from Halifax, Nova Scotia to Brampton. It was led by 3169, which ran GEVOS a K5HL horn salute. Trailing second behind that is a newer safety inspection boxcar. Compared to the old ones, these ones have some pictures on it. And for a mid-DPU, which is not far away from the end of the train, it's CREX 3923. And that has 194 cars and 608 axles. And this train came from the Kingston subdivision.
Okay.
Normally, there's CN M377, which goes from Montreal to Toronto, pulled into Mac Yard. The power on it is not really that special. It only has 3 GEVOS. 2 at the front, and 1 for the mid DPU. The next train we caught is CN Q102, going from Overbanks, BC to Brampton. It was led by 2953, which has the every child matter sticker on the side. And the engineer gave us a K5HL horn salute. And for rear DPU, it's 3119. And that has 172 rail cars and 500 axles. And this train came from the Bella sub.
South, no alarms. Temperature 21 C. Total axles 500. Speed 19.
500 axles.
The next train we caught is CN X394, which met with 102 in the distance. An extra 1 mixed train going from Gary, Indiana to Toronto. It was led by 3813, and trailing second is newer CREX 2788. And that has 173 freight cars. And there was another older rail fan that was here as well.
Am I in your way?
It's one number 424, 424. 2 work, 20, 17. 4, work between north, yard, switch, 7.
394 came to a stop. But I'm not going to bother showing you that because it actually stopped in front of a sway road in front of my camera. So I don't want to show everyone that. While it was stopped, CN L545, which is going from Trotter to the Newmarket sub, departed Mac Yard. They are doing a training run, and everyone calls it the Teddy Bear Express. It was led by 7276 and trailing second is a slog unit. And they were running light power to the Newmarket sub. Just then, 394 started to move once again. Now here is CN Z121's light power heading from Brampton and Motor to Toronto after doubling up the rail cars. 3169 and 3923. The next train we caught is CN Q101, which is heading to the Barrel Sub. Going from Brampton to Riverbanks, BC. It was led by 3245, and trailing second is 3265. And that has 181 rail cars and 508 axles. And it was going to be meeting with some trains at Snider, which will be coming up soon. And if you're enjoying this video so far, then please make sure you give it a really big thumbs up.
Yes, it's where the North Service exit, single unit. Heavy spec. Okay, just gonna get 1 minute of the way. Just watch the clear light. I know you're done in an hour, so I'll get you moving along here momentarily as soon as the foreman clears. I'll try to get you in the outbound. Over. In the outbound. Okay, yeah.
Now here is CN Q102's light power heading from Brampton to Motor to Toronto after dropping off the rail cars. But get this, the two units didn't return together. They went on two light powers. The first light power is 2953 solo. Why did they do that? I have no idea. And oh yeah, this engineer gave us a horn salute. It's probably the same one.
M302. Oh, it's a solo unit. Just one solo locomotive and that's it.
Not far behind, 3119, which is a rear DPU on 102, also came back light power. The next train we caught is CN A435, going from Toronto to London. It was led by a solo Thunder Cap ST70M-2, and that being 8007, and the engineer gave us a K5 LA horn salute. One thing about 8007 is that it doesn't have a CN logo on the cab doors. But one thing's for sure, 8007 was pulling 55 freight cars by itself. So it was a shorter train than usual. And it was going to be stopping at Snider West to meet with two other trains, which will be coming up soon. The next train we caught is CN Z114, which overtook 435, going from Winnipeg to Brampton. And this also came from a Bella sub as well. This time it was led by 3060, and trailing second at 3867. Why am I getting so many GEVOS on this trip, LOL? Anyways, 114 has 131 rail cars.
Snider West, North Track. Make a chop at the second light, 6,000 feet.
The next train we caught is CN A422, going from Port Robertson to Toronto. It was led by newer CREX 2774, which is poorly patched. You can see a tape over the City Rail logo. And trailing second behind that is 3340, an AC44C6 and rebuilt -9. It was originally 2593. And that has 191 freight cars, so it was a really long train.
131, asking salt. So this must be M302, right?
case I do need the tracks for 435 and 570. So it'll just be a little bit longer, but I won't forget. I will keep in touch when I can get you out. But it's going to be a little longer than it normally is, just with the way the trains are. I can't get you out just yet. Over. Okay, RTC out.
Thanks, have a good day. 140.
After 422 clear 435, it departed Snider West. Off it goes to London. Let me tell you, 435 really picked up speed. It's probably because it was a shorter train.
479 knot, first up, Alton outbound, operating DLB number 4394, 4394. Looking for all four today, over.
DLB lights coming up with Eastbound behind 435, over.
Hey, lights coming up on 435, 630. The Alpha Power rest.
So 8422 has 151.
435, clearing the approach to Humber.
The next train we caught is CNL529, a westbound local train going from Toronto to Melbourne. It was led by 4790, a GP38-2W, and the engineer gave us a P5 horn salute. And trailing second is XG8TX4906, a GP38-2, and that has 6 freight cars, 1 grain, and 5 tankers.
Work on main track between signal 154, 154, 197, 197, Bolton South. I know, but that might be perfect for the crew if they have to come and work on it. That's what we told them, so hopefully they can find it. I imagine if they get in by the lumber yard there, they should be able to get to it. I'm gonna see if I can get that changed. They're ordered for 1410 at Mac here, so I'll let you know, man. Alright, so good. I'll go talk to Megan.
The next train we caught is CN Z112. Another train that came from the Bella sub, going from Vancouver to Brampton. It was led by 3145, which Rangio give us a K5HL horn salute. And trailing second is 3311, another AC44C6M rebuilt -9. It was originally 2631, and that has 154 rail cars.
Yeah, first up, she's all down, looking to get to L1. Okay, here's light down our 30, calling the Delta 30 over. Okay, light down our 30, clear on the Mulberry.
Yeah, you're in the clear.
Hey, thank you, Stop. Down to L1 flags are down. And also, the comment just told us that they were kept in 99 cars. However, our journal says we have 100, so I guess was like, is there a car missing or did they miscount? You're backing up over the mid over.
That's all correct. Over.
Okay, it's coming up. Yep.
Document 48. What?
The next and final train that we caught is CN Q148, so light power, heading from Toronto to Brampton in the modal. It was led by 3817, which the conductor give us a wave. And trailing second is 3067. And once it collects its train at Brampton, it will head east from Brampton to Montreal on the Kingston subdivision.
Oh. I guess this must be the light power.
Well, everyone, that's going to be it for our trip to Snider Rest today. Oh no, it wasn't that bad. It was much more busier compared to last time. I have to say that the best train in this video is CN A435 with a Thundercat SD70M-2 Solo. So yeah, we got nothing else coming for now, so I'm just going to call it a day. Besides, I caught a lot of stuff, that's for sure. A lot more compared to last time. So yeah, if you enjoyed our trip to Snider Rest today, then you know what to do. Please make sure you give this video a really big thumbs up. And subscribe for more videos if you haven't already. That will really help me out a lot. And go subscribe to Canadian National 1926. Oh, the hotbox detector is going off.
Sorry.
Oh, apparently fifth train has 140 axles. Or maybe I should say 104 axles. I couldn't hear it that well due to the static. Interesting.
559, just a little bit longer.
So yeah, and I'm hearing something about L559. It's really weird how fifth train has 140 axles. I think that's CN X271. Normally it will come here, but unfortunately today it's heading into Mac Yard. Because they are not carrying not much auto racks by the... Yep, 271 is calling now.
Go ahead. 271 over.
So yeah. It has an SD7055. Maybe I will see that before we call it.
The Yardmaster's kind of
Well, we did see it in the distance before we left. This is CN X271. A westbound auto rack train. Normally it will go from Montreal to Battle Creek, Michigan. But however though, they dropped most of the auto rack cars at Oshawa. Except for 3. And while they were there, they picked up some mixed freight and they took it to Toronto. Now this train is going from Montreal to Toronto. And now this is a mostly mixed train too, LOL. Now X271 was led by 5695 and 2691. And how many cars they have? Well, it doesn't matter. But like I said, it has 104 axles. And this is going to be the official final train in this video. This is like a bonus catch, LOL.
Give a devil.
And look at that, we got CN X271 pulling into Mac Yard right now, you can see here. Normally it would be going onto the Halton, but however though, this is an Extra 1 train. They mostly drop all auto rack cars in Oshawa and they are taking some freight cars back to Mac Yard now. I guess from Oshawa or something like that. Oh, so basically I should probably call this CN L517, even though this is not L517, it's X271. It has the 2 auto rack cars at the front, and now it has a mixed train you can see. So yeah, off it goes to Mac Yard. It sucks it's not coming here, even though it's a Halton train. But if it's going to Mac Yard, it is going into Mac Yard then. And it looks like it's coming to a stop right now, you can see. So yeah. Anyways, until my next marathon video, I will see you guys later. Sorry about the long outro, LOL. Anyways, please make sure you go subscribe to Canadian Marathon 1923. If you want to check me out, I'll leave a link in the description when I have a chance. And anyways, until my next marathon video, I will see you guys later. Peace out, folks, and I hope you all have a wonderful evening. And that will be it from the two of us. Say goodbye.
Cheerio, fellow rail fans.
Yep. Alright, have a wonderful evening, everyone. Bye now. Hey, everyone. I really hope you enjoyed our trip to Snider Rest today. If you enjoyed this, then please make sure you give this video a really big thumbs up. And subscribe for more videos if you haven't already. And go subscribe to him.
Canadian Rail Fan 1923. Go subscribe, fellow rail fans.
Yeah, if you want to check him out, I'll leave a link in the description when I have a chance. Anyways, until my next reopen video, I will see you guys later. Peace out, folks, and that will be it for my tour of Fox. Have a wonderful evening, everyone. Cheerio. Bye now.